All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're going to talk about something that's, well, absolutely critical in modern digital defense: unified multi-cloud security. We're going to explore how automation is completely changing the game when it comes to protecting our most valuable assets up in the cloud. Think about it for a second. Your company's data, your applications, they're literally everywhere, spread across a bunch of different cloud platforms. But the real question is your defense just as widespread? That's the million-dollar question we're going to answer today. And to answer that, we first need to get our handle on the incredibly complex world we're all operating in now, what I like to call the multi-cloud maze.
Okay, so put yourself in these shoes. Imagine you're the senior multi-cloud architect. You've got stuff running on AWS, on Azure, and on Google Cloud. And your one job, your massive job, protect it all. Yeah, no pressure, right?
Now, each of these cloud providers gives you a pretty powerful security tool right out of the box. You've got GuardDuty for AWS, Defender for Azure, and the Security Command Center for Google. But here's the huge catch. They are all siloed. They basically don't talk to each other at all.
And just so we're all on the same page, a multi-cloud environment just means you're using services from more than one of these big cloud vendors. This is totally standard for businesses today, but it's also the root cause of a massive security headache.
In the world of cybersecurity, time isn't just money, it's everything. Let's take a look at why these security silos are so incredibly dangerous when every single second counts.
You know, this quote just nails it. It's exactly like having a separate alarm system for your front door, your back door, and your garage, and none of them are connected. So if a burglar breaks in through the garage, the alarm on the front door just stays silent. Your security teams are left scrambling, trying to piece the full story together. It's inefficient, and it's incredibly risky.
So this is what that inefficiency actually looks like during a real attack. A threat gets detected on AWS at minute 1. Okay, great, but a full 10 minutes pass just to begin manually checking what's happening on Azure. By the time you start cross-referencing logs with Google, it's been almost half an hour. 45 minutes go by before you have any idea what's really going on. In a cyber attack, that is an eternity. The damage is already done.
So, how do you fight a threat that's moving at machine speed? I'll tell you this, it's not with manual checklists and a bunch of frantic phone calls. You need something just as fast. You need an automated guardian.
And this right here, this is the key difference. On one side, you've got the old manual way. It's slow, it's prone to human error, and all your information is stuck in different buckets. And on the other side, that's the solution. It's instant, it's consistent, and it gives you a single unified view.
The magic that makes all of this possible is a concept called orchestration. Now, think of it as the conductor of your security symphony. It takes all those separate, siloed systems and makes them work together as one cohesive unit. It gets them all playing from the same sheet of music. So, how does this automated guardian actually work when things go wrong? Let's break down how orchestration can turn complete chaos into a calm, controlled response.
Okay, so this is the same exact scenario as before, but the result is a world of difference. A threat is detected in AWS. Instantly, the orchestrator triggers Microsoft Defender to isolate that threat while, at the exact same time, it logs a unified alert in Google's system. It all happens at once. It's a single, seamless action that spans all 3 clouds. A total game changer.
This automated workflow is called a playbook. And it's not just a script, it's like taking the knowledge of your best security expert and turning it into code that can run instantly and perfectly every single time across all your clouds. It completely eliminates the manual guesswork when every second counts.
You see, this is way more than just a simple improvement. It's a fundamental shift in how we have to approach cybersecurity. This really is the future of defense.
And this is the key takeaway. We are shifting from a reactive model of cleaning up after a breach to a proactive one, where threats get automatically contained before they can ever cause real damage. It's all about getting ahead of the problem.
And the impact is just staggering, a potential 95% reduction in response time. That 45-minute nightmare we talked about, it could be cut down to just over 2 minutes. That is the incredible power of automation.
So this all leaves us with a final, pretty provocative question. As attackers use automation to launch threats at machine speed, is a defense that still relies on human intervention already obsolete? What do you think?